In a neon-lit studio, Pixel the AI editor wakes to a queue of forgotten clips craving a laugh. It remixes a spilled coffee, a stapler chorus, and a dancing mug into a goofy montage. As the beat drops, inanimate objects gossip about edits and applaud the punchline of a coffee spill. The pixels morph into a tiny audience, while the AI learns timing from real smiles online. The final frame lands and the video goes live, proving humor can be engineered, yet warmly unpredictable.